Hello, Peter. Good evening, Peter. Just unmute when you're
Hello,
once you're
teacher.
ready. Okay, how are you, Peter?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, that's good to know. Can you tell me what did you do in the morning? What did you do today?
Um, I learn English.
You learn English and what else? Did you play with your friends too?
No, I play. I play with my with my
With your
I play with my grandparents.
Oh, okay. Are you in your grandparents' house now?
Yes.
Okay, I see. So enjoy your time there, Peter. Have fun. Okay, so let me share my screen. And for today, we'll have a new topic, which is lesson 21. Okay, we have here what is your favorite movie. And last time, you told me that your favorite movie is The Avengers. Can you tell me, Peter, why do you like that movie? Why do you like that movie, Peter?
Because it's fun and um and and because it's fun.
Oh, okay, because it's fun to watch. Okay, thank you so much. Now, let us proceed to exercise one. Peter, we have here words and phrases. Okay, we have Paris, the past, the 1920s, the present, space, the future, America, and another world. Now, what I want you to do here, Peter, is to tell me which of the items on the list are times and which are places. Okay, which are times and which are places. So when we say Paris, Peter, is it time or place?
It's place.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, what about the past?
It's times.
Okay, yes. What about the 1920s?
Times.
The present?
It's place.
Is it a place, Peter? Present, Peter.
It's a place.
It is time. It's time, Peter. When we say the present, it is a time. Okay, which means the current time, Peter, right now. Okay, it talks about time, not place. What about space?
Um, it's place.
Okay, the future.
Um, it's a times.
America,
It's place.
another world.
It's place.
Very good. There you have it, Peter. Now let us proceed to exercise two. So, can you tell me what it means when we say moving, Peter? Moving. It is an adjective, Peter. Moving.
I don't know.
Okay, so now I will translate it in Vietnamese, Peter, and you have to tell me what it means in English. Moving.
Di chuyển,
Okay.
What does it mean? Can you say it in English?
Is moving.
When can we say something is
Is
moving?
is work.
It's like walking, it's moving, we are moving.
It's like run, move.
Mhm.
It's like run and work.
Oh, okay. It's like running and walking. We are moving, we're making an action. Okay, I see. Thank you, Peter. However, in here, Peter, it is an adjective. Okay, it is a describing word, not a verb. Okay, so when we say moving, yes, it talks about, like, for example, walk and run. But in here, we're talking about an adjective, Peter. So when we say moving, it is making one feel strong emotions. So, like, for example, if um the main character in the movie you're watching is being oppressed, Peter, then you will be sad. You will be mad. Okay, that is moving. It will cause you to feel strong emotions. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's okay now. Now, what about violent?
It's like a guitar.
That is a violin, Peter, not violent. Okay, this is a violin, right? Okay, this is a violin.
Vĩ cầm,
But we're talking about a violin, Peter.
hung bạo,
Wow. So,
Okay.
what is it in English, Peter? Can you try to define it?
It's very I don't know.
Now,
I don't know.
again, but you understand it in Vietnamese, Peter. So, again, when we say violent, it involves physical force, Peter, to hurt or damage someone or something. Okay, that is being violent. It is a behavior that is meant to hurt someone, to damage something, or to kill. That is a violent. Now, what about romantic?
Is I don't know.
Okay, now, what about romance, Peter? Romance.
Uh, uh, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know it either. Okay, let me translate it, and please try your best to share your ideas in
lãng mạn,
English, Peter.
Okay.
What is it in English?
Is beautiful.
It's beautiful. Is it beautiful?
Is
It is
about
it's about love, Peter. Okay, it's related to love or affectionate feelings. Okay, that is what romantic is. Okay, conducive to love or relationship. Like he took his wife out for a romantic dinner. Okay, now next one. What about exciting?
is doing is I don't know.
Okay, so when we say exciting, Peter, it is causing enthusiasm or eagerness. You are really happy because something that you want or you've been dreaming is about to happen. Like, for example, that was the most exciting theme park ride I've ever been on. Okay, that was the most interesting theme park, Peter, that really made you feel happy. Exciting, Peter. Exciting.
Thú vị.
Okay.
Now, next one. What about educational?
I don't know.
Now, when we say educational, Peter, from the word education, it is meant to provide a knowledge or learning. So, since we're talking about videos here, it is a certain content, Peter, that will help you learn something. Okay. It will teach you, it will educate you, so you will learn something. Okay, that is educational. It's meant to teach so you learn.
Giáo dục.
Okay.
Now, what about boring?
Is very very tired.
Very tired. Okay. Now, when we say very tired, Peter, that is exhausted. That is exhausted.
Kiệt sức.
Okay, that is very tired, Peter. However, when we say boring, it means something is not interesting, Peter. It's not enjoyable. It's not what you are expecting to happen. Okay, it is something that doesn't catch your attention. That is boring. Boring, not fun. Okay, not fun. What about hilarious, Peter?
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say hilarious, oh wait, this one's easy, so I'll translate it and I want you to share your idea in English.
Vui vẻ.
Okay.
What is it?
Is happy.
Okay, it's happy. Okay, so it's something, Peter, that is extremely funny. Like, for example, it could be a movie, a certain video you watch, what a person said. Okay, it's hilarious. It's very funny, really funny. Okay, what about predictable? Predictable.
Is I don't know.
Okay, now when we say predictable, Peter, it means you know exactly what will happen next. Okay, so it's easy to guess or expect as to what will happen next in that story, in that video, or in that movie. That is predictable.
Có thể dự đoán được.
Okay.
So now, Peter, since we're done with that one, can you tell me again what it means when we say hilarious?
Is happy.
Okay, funny, Peter. Funny. Okay, it's funny. What about boring?
Is very is not enjoyable.
Okay, very good. What about educational?
Is learn is learn learn I don't know.
Okay, so we can say that a video is educational if it is meant um to provide a knowledge. It's something wherein you can learn something by watching it. Okay, now what about violent, Peter? Violent.
Is mm, I don't know.
Okay, so it involves damage, Peter. Hurting, Peter. Hurting. Okay, so that is a violent. It is a behavior that is meant to hurt, damage, or even kill someone. What about moving? Moving.
I don't know.
Okay, now we can.
Is
It's
like walk and run.
okay. So moving means causing strong emotions. So if you watch a movie wherein the character was oppressed, then you would feel moved, which means you'll be angry or sad.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, Peter, let me translate that.
Xúc động có nghĩa là khơi gợi những cảm xúc mạnh mẽ. Vì vậy, nếu bạn xem một bộ phim mà nhân vật bị áp bức, bạn sẽ cảm thấy xúc động. Điều đó có nghĩa là bạn sẽ tức giận hoặc buồn bã.
Okay, that is moving, Peter. You feel what they are feeling. Okay, now what about predictable? Predictable.
Is I don't know.
Okay, so again, Peter, when we say predictable, it is happening in a way one expects. Okay, it is happening in a way that you expected to
Xảy
be.
ra theo cách mà người ta mong đợi.
Okay, that is predictable. Now, let us practice and tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. So again, Peter, when we say moving, is it positive or negative?
Is negative.
Why is it negative, Peter?
Is positive.
Yes, it is positive, Peter, because when you were moved, Peter, while watching, okay, when you are moved while watching a certain movie, that means that movie was effective. It was able to deliver what it should portray to the audience or viewers, which is, for example, it's meant to touch the hearts of the audience or the viewers, then it did its purpose. Now, what about violent?
Is negative.
Okay, negative. What about romantic?
Is positive.
Exciting.
Is positive.
Yes, exciting is positive. What about educational?
Is positive.
Okay, yes, positive too. Boring.
Is negative.
Okay, boring is negative because it's not fun. What about hilarious, Peter?
Is positive.
Okay, very good. Positive. It's making us happy. What about predictable?
Is positive.
Okay. It could be positive, Peter, but at the same time, it could be negative, especially if we're talking about watching a movie and you know what to expect, you know what will happen next to the movie. It's boring, Peter. Okay, so no thrill at all. Okay, so now let us proceed to the next one. What does it mean when we say documentary, Peter? What is
I
documentary?
don't know.
Okay, so now
I
when
don't
we
know.
say documentary, Peter, it is a type of movie or TV show that explain real events. Like for example, in here, I love watching documentaries about animals. So in here, we'll see animals in their habitat. Okay, so what they do, how they hunt for food. That is a documentary. Let me translate that for you.
Phim tài liệu.
Okay.
Okay, so that is it. Now, what about horror?
I don't know.
Okay, now when we say horror, Peter, it is a type of story that is intended to scare people. It is the movie, Peter, wherein you can see ghosts or dead people. Okay, so that is horror. Horror.
Okay.
Kinh dị.
Now, next one, what about action? Action.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know action now? Okay, so still, it is a type of story, Peter, that involves excitement, fighting, and violence. Like, for example, the movie of James Bond, the movie of The Rock, the movie of Jackie Chan. Do you know them, Peter? Do you know Jackie Chan?
No.
What about James Bond?
No too.
The Rock, Peter.
Yes.
Oh, you know him. Okay, so his movies, Peter, those are action movies. Okay, wait, let me translate it for you. Action movies.
Phim hành động.
Okay, that is
Okay.
it. Now, what about romance?
Um. Is is
It's a movie about
about um I don't know.
okay, so it's a movie about love, Peter, about love and relationship. Okay, that is romance. Just like what we had discussed earlier, Peter, that is the same as this one. See? Romantic. Okay, relating to, characterized by, or conducive to love or relationship. And it is the same as this one. So these are the type of videos or movies or films, Peter. So we have romance movies, okay, which is a story about love. Now, what about comedy, Peter? Comedy.
I don't know.
Okay, so when we say comedy, it is a movie that is meant to make people laugh, Peter. So it is Hilarious. Okay, hilarious. Now, I believe that would be all it for tonight, Peter. So tomorrow we'll keep on reviewing the words. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, Peter, and enjoy your time with your grandparents. Good night, Peter.
Goodbye, teacher.